Good morning to all of you. In today's class, I have started new chapter coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry you had studied in class 9th. So some basic facts I am telling you about the coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, you know that we find the location of any place denoting the coordinates of that point. So in class 10th, in coordinate geometry, basically we study about the distance formula, section formula and area of triangle. In first exercise, question is based on distance formula. In second exercise, question is based on section formula. And in exercise third, question is based on area of triangle. So I am starting here from distance formula. How can you find the distance between 2 points? Like this, I have drawn here 2 points P and Q. P is initial point and Q is final point. The coordinate of P, as you know that each and every point has 2 coordinates. First is X and second is Y. That is called, first is abscissa and second is called ordinate. So the coordinate of P is x1, y1 and the coordinate of Q is x2, y2. तो P की 2 कोऑर्डिनेट्स यहाँ पे लिया हूं, मैं लेट किया हूं x1, y1. पहला कोऑर्डिनेट x होता है और दूसरा कोऑर्डिनेट y होता है. उसी तरह Q का भी 2 कोऑर्डिनेट है x2 एंड y2. अब मुझे इन दोनों के बीच डिस्टेंस निकालना है, जिसको हम डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला के नाम से जानेंगे, जो आपको लर्न करना है डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. सो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन P एंड Q विल बी व्हाट? दैट इज PQ इक्वल टू व्हाट? So whenever you find the distance between 2 points whose coordinates will be given to you like x1, y1 and x2, y2, जिसके बदले क्वेश्चन में नंबर दिया जाएगा. ये तो अभी फॉर्मूला बना रहा हूँ, इसीलिए मैं x1, y1 और x2, y2 के फॉर्म में लिया हूँ कोऑर्डिनेट्स. तो इसका एक फॉर्मूला होगा अंडर रूट के अंदर ही सब कुछ होगा. x1 माइनस x2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 minus y2 whole square. This is called distance formula. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is distance formula. So PQ equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. But the question is, if the initial point is origin means O, जिसका कोऑर्डिनेट आपको पता है, ओरिजिन का कोऑर्डिनेट 0 0 होता है. ओरिजिन इज अ पॉइंट फॉर x एक्सिस एंड y एक्सिस इंटरसेक्ट एंड हुज कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0 0 एंड द फाइनल पॉइंट इज P हुज कोऑर्डिनेट इज xy. तो अब हम इस ओरिजिन से लेके किसी पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट तक का डिस्टेंस कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? दैट मीन्स, how can you find OP? Here we see that the coordinate of O is 0 0 because O is here origin and P is another point, that is final point, whose coordinate is here, it is xy. तो अब यहां भी आप डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला लगा सकते हैं. तो OP इक्वल टू अंडर रूट. अब आप देख सकते हैं यहां पे x1 के बदले 0 है माइनस x2 यहां पे x है, 0 माइनस x होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 यहां पे 0 है, y1 यहां पे 0 है और y2 यहां पे y है, 0 माइनस y होल स्क्वायर. तो 0 माइनस x दैट इज माइनस x, 0 माइनस y दैट इज माइनस y. You know minus x square is x square and minus y square is y square. So this is under root x square plus y square. So the distance between origin and the other particular point is under root x square plus y square, where x and y are the coordinates of a point, final point P. Now I am taking here question based on distance formula. Question is, find distance between 2 points whose coordinates are 6, 5 and 5, 6. See, very easy question. The first point, that is initial point, is 6, 5 and final point is 5, 6. There we draw a line segment. Suppose that this point is A and this point is B. The coordinate of first point is given 6, 5 and the coordinate of second point B is given 5, 6. Now we have to find here distance AB. So AB will be x1 minus x2 whole square, that is 6 minus 5 whole square, x2 minus y2 whole square, that is 5 minus 6 whole square. This will be 1 square plus minus 1 square. 1 square is 1 and minus 1 square is also 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So this is root 2 unit. Thus the distance between A and B is root 2 unit. Now students, I am taking here second question. Question is, do the points 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3 and 2, 3 form a triangle? If so, then name the type of triangle formed. As you know, any triangle has 3 vertices whose coordinates are given but points are not given. So I will suppose here this is A, B and C. So let the coordinates of a point A be 3, 2. The coordinates of point B be minus 2, minus 3 and coordinates of point C be 2, 3. So these are the 3 vertices of any triangle A, B and C. First coordinate is of A, second coordinate is of B and third coordinate is of C. So I will find firstly AB. This is a triangle ABC. The coordinate of A is given 3, 2. The coordinate of B is given minus 2, minus 3 and the coordinate of C is given 2, 3. So using distance formula, firstly I will find AB. AB equal to under root AB. x1 minus x2 whole square. The x1 is 3 here minus x2 is minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, 2 minus minus 3 whole square, and that is equal to 3 minus minus plus 3 plus 2 whole square plus 2 plus 3 whole square. This is 5 square and this is also 5 square. 5 square 25 plus 25 50, root 50, and root 50 equal to 5 root 2 by prime factorization. Now I will find BC using distance formula. BC, if you find BC, then here x1 is this, y1 is this, x2 is this and y2 is this. So using distance formula, x1 minus x2 whole square, that is minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square minus 3 whole square. This is minus 4 square and plus minus 6 square. Minus 4 square is 16, minus 6 square is 36. 36 plus 16, 52, root 52, and root 52 can be written as 2 root 13. Now AC. I will find AC here. Under root x1 minus x2 whole square, 3 minus 2 whole square plus x2 minus y2 whole square, 2 minus 3 whole square. 3 minus 2, 1 square, 2 minus 3 minus 1 square. 1 square is 1 and minus 1 square is also 1. 1 plus 1, that is root 2. So here I have calculated all the 3 sides AB, BC and AC. We see here no sides are here equal, that is AB is not equal to BC, BC is not equal to AC. So on the basis of side, this is scalene triangle because all sides are of different lengths. So on the basis of side, this is scalene triangle. But now I will find on the basis of angle. So here we see that BC is the longest side whose value is root 52. So firstly I will find the BC square. BC square, that is root 52 square, and this is 52. Now I will find AB square. The value of AB is 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 square is 5 root 2 into 5 root 2, that is 50. And our third one is AC square. AC is root 2. Root 2 square is 2. Here we see 52 equal to 50 plus 2. That is, the value of this is equal to sum of this and this. We can write BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. Here this relation is coming. So using converse of Pythagoras theorem, converse of Pythagoras theorem tells us that if the square of longest side is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, then the angle opposite to longest side is 90 degree. So it means here BC is the longest side. So this will be BC, hypotenuse. So A will be here. So angle A will be 90 degree. So using converse of Pythagoras theorem, BC is hypotenuse and angle A equal to 90 degree, because angle opposite to longest side is 90. Therefore ABC is a right angle triangle. Thus on the basis of side, this is scalene, and on the basis of angle, this is right angle triangle. Now students, here I have taken third one question. Prove that the points 1, 7, 4, 2, -1, -1 and -4, 4 are the vertices of a square. So to prove it, we have to prove here all the sides should be equal and both diagonals should be also equal. Both diagonal means AC and BD, that should be also equal. Here the coordinate of A is 1, 7, because this is the first point. So this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. Like here, the coordinate of A is 1, 7, the coordinate of B is 4, 2, the coordinate of C is -1, -1 and the coordinate of D is 1, 7. Using distance formula, firstly I will find AB. As you know that distance formula is under root x1 minus x2 whole square and plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So in AB, x1 is 1 and x2 is 4. So 1 minus 4 whole square. x2 is 7 and y2 is 2. 7 minus 2 whole square. 1 minus 4 is -3, minus 3 square is 9. 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 square is 25. So this is under root 34. Now I will find BC here using distance formula BC. In BC, x1 is 4 and y1 is 2. x2 is -1 and y2 is -1. So under root 4 minus -1, that is 4 plus 1, plus y1 minus y2, 2 minus -1, that is 2 plus 1. This is 5 square, that is 25, and this is 3 square, that is 9. And this is under root 34 also. Now I will find CD. CD equal to under root x1 minus x2, that is -1 minus 1 whole square, plus y1 minus y2 -1 minus 7 whole square. This is -2 square and this is -8 square. This A was 1, 7, B was 4, 2, C was -1 and D was -4, 4. This coordinate was -4 and 4. So in CD, here this is wrong here. CD is, because here coordinate was -4 and 4. So in CD, under root x1 minus x2 whole square. So -1 minus -4 whole square plus -1 minus 4 whole square. This is -1 plus 4 whole square, and this is -5 square. So this is 3 square, and this is -5 square, that is 25. So 9 plus 25, that is root 34. So CD is also root 34. Now I will find AD. Under root x1 minus x2 whole square. So 1 minus -4 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, that is 7 minus 4 whole square, and that is equal to 1 plus 4 5 square, and 7 minus 4 3 square. So this is also 25 plus 9 root 34. Here we see all sides are equal here. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. All sides are equal. Now I will find both diagonal also, that is AC and BD. The AC will be AC. The coordinate of A is 1 7 and coordinate of C is -1 -1. So x1 is 1 and x2 is -1. So 1 minus -1 whole square plus 7 minus -1 whole square. This is 2 square plus 8 square. This is root 68. BD equal to 4 minus -4 square plus 2 minus 4 whole square. This is 8 square plus -2 square. So 64 plus 4, this is also 68. So here we see AC is also equal to BD. That is, all sides are equal. All sides are equal and both diagonals are equal. Both diagonals are equal. So we can say ABCD is a square root. So students, now we have to solve some questions from exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1, only 3 questions I am giving you. In homework we have to solve exercise 7.1 question 1, 2 and 3. So today I want to finish my class. Goodbye to everyone.